So for today's video guys, luto tayo ng Mongolian beef with capsicum or bell pepper. So ito yung aking ingredients, yung bell pepper or capsicum gamit nyo pwede din. And then yung spring onion or scallion. So yung white head lang yung gagamitin natin. And then yung aking seasoning sauce, honey, soy sauce, and sesame oil. And then yung aking beef guys, yung beef ko guys is marinated siya ng oyster sauce, cornstarch, soda powder. And then yung aking black pepper or white pepper powder. So ito lang guys yung marinate ko siya. And then marinate lang natin guys around 30 minutes. So, pwede din yun yan i-marinate overnight. Kung gusto nyo bukas yung paggagamitin, it's okay. So, ngayon guys, nag-ready na ako ng aking kawali. So, mag-reheat lang tayo ng kawali natin. Ayan. Nag-aso-aso na siya. And then, first, ang gagawin natin is, i-fry natin yung ating marinated beef. So, yung beef ko guys is slice ng maninipis ng kaunti. So, fry lang natin yan until mag-slide like golden brown. So, ayan. Fry lang siya natin guys ha, ng light golden brown. So, yan. After that yan, guys, pwede natin siyang iset aside. Pero sa akin, ang ginagawa ko is patagilid ko lang sa gilid. So, never na ako nag-change na ang kawali or naghugas. So, ngayon, lagay natin yung ating spring onion and bell pepper or capsicum. So, yan guys, gisa-gisa lang natin yan ng madalian lamang. So, yan. And then, i-mix na natin together yan. So, yan. Mix-mix lang tayo guys. And then, after that, pag mix-mix natin, kasi luto na yan siya, lagay lang natin yung ating thickening sauce. Ayan. That is honey, sesame oil, and soy sauce guys. So, ayan guys, never ako nagdagdag ng any condiments or any panglasa na dyan. Kasi nga, yung beef and sauce ko is may salt and ano na siya. So, tikman nyo muna bago nyo i-serve, bago nyo ilagay sa plate. So, ayan, ready to serve na yan guys. Because the sauce is already thickened, so now, lagyan natin sa plate. So, ayan guys, tingnan nyo. That is my Mongolian beef with bell pepper or capsicum. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching and see you for my next video. Bye!